Hey guys, it's Kelly. How are you? I'm the Frugal Fun Mum here in Adelaide, Australia. Welcome to our channel and to Money Monday, where today we're doing our cash stuffing. And today is exciting because we're swapping over from the old envelopes to the new ones. I've created some new envelopes for myself, so tune in next Monday where you can see how I did that. A little bit different to how other people are doing it, but hey, that's me. I'm different. So first of all, we're going to move the money from the old envelopes into the new ones. Then we're going to cash stuff this. Then we're going to balance out the shopping and spending from last fortnight and make everything square and be on track. So let's do that. So first we're gonna move this out the way. So did I get, yep. So I have my beautiful envelopes here, so we'll just go through them one by one. So Christmas, pop that in there. Family, fruit and veg, gifts, haircuts and beauty, and incidentals. I've also added a savings folder here, so if I get any money for birthdays or whatever, that can go inside of that. All right, so first let's count how much. Here we've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. I've got 180 here. I'm not going to stuff all of these today, and I'm going to go through everything with you guys. So we'll see at the end where we're at. But yeah, this is something that I do all the time. I changed my mind. Some things, like it's really rare that I will have cash on me. So as I've said time and time again, I'll have cash in my purse and I'll spend that and then come back and balance it, which is what we're going to do today because we've had a few things shopping. All right. So this was my list that I had last week. These are all the things I kind of have for the allowances, and then this is what the cash stuffing envelopes we did. So the same thing, we'll go back through here. Actually, I might just gonna take this out. It's gonna be easier. And I'm just gonna take this one out to refer from last week. All right, so Christmas, we're going to add in there 25. Now this isn't gonna be for the whole Christmas, it's just for like the odd things that I see leading up. Most of the stuff I do online shopping, so we have that. Family, do 20 in this one. Fruit and veg, I'm going to do 25. Now I think on the last video I had it at $50. I have changed it from last week, but I just realized we're not going to need that much money, and now that we kind of have 50 in there, once school goes back I will spend most of that. Haircuts and beauty, have 25. I'm going to make it a bit smaller this time. Oh, just missed that one. Incidentals, I'm not going to put anything in there, but I'll put aside 40 for Kira's allowance, and then I'll do Scott's one on here, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and then I've got $5 for his drinks. Same again, no sanity money needed for me or Jeremy, and yeah, incidentals I'm not going to worry about, and gifts I'm not going to worry about that for this week, so same, just going to put a B for bank. Alright, so what I'm going to do is go back to last week's, and I'm going to run through the spending and what we've done and go through this with you guys. So what I did is I pulled my credit card statements and I've gone through everything that we did buy, and also I've been collecting receipts. Did you know if you get all your receipts and put them together, they create a tiny little book about why you have no money? Internet joke. So I have here, every time I've bought something, I've gotten a receipt. Half of it is food and most of it is like snacks and things like that within our allowance. So alright, so we'll go through here. So okay, so I've written everything out a little bit more easier for me to see compared to sort of what I had here, and also I needed to break it down into a couple of different sections so I could see what was going on. Like I had a whole total at Kmart, but it consisted of quite a few little things. So we'll go through what I did spend, I'll tell you why or where, and go from there. So the first thing, I did buy my son a t-shirt from Myers. They were having a sale. It was also The Mandalorian, and that is his favorite TV show at the moment. So and he needed a new shirt for school. He only wears a couple, so we cycle through. So I was happy, and I was happy to buy that for him. We've got Scott bought a Steam game, which he then paid me in money. So what I've done, I've got a jar of coins from various things and cleanings I found around the house, and also swapping some other money around. I had some coins there, so I'm just going to throw that in there, and I'm actually going to put it down as a computer spend because it was online. So at the end of the year we will count up all of this. It will be a savings, and then that will all balance out. Foodland, it's food. So we went to Kmart, had to buy some school pants, had to buy some kitchen pouches. I use these to cut up chicken and mince and things like that, so I needed that because I'm trying to cut back on the plastic bags that we use in the house, and then also they help with stop freezer burn, so I do count that as a necessary purchase. And then my son needed a shaver for face because the last one died. But I did buy a gift card from one of the bank's benefits that I get discount, Suncorp, which are ending their reward system. I think it's the 22nd of January, so I had to jump online and get that. So I've taken the savings that I did get off of the shaver, so it will help bring the costs down. My son gets a Macca's takeaway each week that he goes to his support group, just as a bit of a reward. Got my husband his standard liquor for this month because Shopback had I think it was 10% back. It's normally 3%, So I'm happy at 10%. The best one ever was 25. That was well before Christmas, so stocked up. But I still got one because at 10%, it's a great deal. And then this way I now have a bottle to keep us ahead for the next month. And yeah, my link is in the bio below. You can click on it and you can get a bonus for joining up as well. I've jumped online as well as Suncorp again, and I bought a Coles gift card because they're 3% off. They're the only place doing 3% at the moment. And as I said, the reward program is about to end. So I jumped online and bought that gift card, and I will jump online and buy this fortnight's gift card as well before the promos run out, and then that will take up the rest of the food budget. We bought a fan from Kmart because the air conditioning in our house is not going to one part of the house in the lounge. So we bought a fan to help circulate the air in there. Just got snacks from NQR, cheapest chips. BWS, I paid 10 cents for a bottle of wine. The cooler program, there's on the app, they've got a game at the moment and you play it every day, and I won a $10 voucher to spend on wine. So the cheapest bottle was $10.10 because you can only select from a certain range. So that's what I picked, so it cost me 10 cents. Foodland again. Now went to Vinnie's Skincare. Went to the St. Vincent's de Paul, Vinnie's, it's a op shop, and I bought some skincare because Kira needs it. She's about to run out. So, but I am going to take that back out of beauty because I'll take $5 out, put that in my purse, because I paid for that out of the cash in my purse, and I figured I'd pay it back later. Went to Big W and got some snacks again. Shop back had 15% off any online Big W purchases, so I jumped online for that. I haven't added the discount into here. I'm just going to save it all up in the shop back app, and then at the end of the year I'll pull it and get like a Coles voucher. So we'll be saving on groceries again with a big voucher at the end. That's what I did at the start of this year. That's why some of our food budget has been quite down, because I've had vouchers to spend from last year. I had to get a top coat nail polish. We were out. the bottle was completely gloggy, and to save money, not that we go and get our nails done, but this year I just felt that I just wanted to pamper myself a little bit. So by buying that enables me to be able to do that at home, and also I don't really have the time to go somewhere, so that's why I got that. I went to Macca's again. Now, jumped on eBay and got Scott a game that he's been wanting for ages, and I've been looking at it online. It's a Nintendo Switch game, so they're about $59 up to $72. I was able to score one for $49. Now, he has given me his allowance for this week, so that will go back into the bank. And then I've taken $9 from his school drinks little container, because there's already $10 in there, so we're ahead for the year. But then that pays for the game, so I can pay the credit card off. And then that way, next fortnight when he's paid, he can get his full amount of money, and then it pays off for the month. Foodland, same. Takeaway. We had Chinese takeaway this fortnight. We haven't had takeaway in quite a few weeks, or I would say actually over a month, with having Christmas and everything else. But I went there and they do an end of day special. So I thought, why not, let's have something, because we probably won't have anything for the rest of the month. So grabbed that. Got a cheeky dessert at Woolworths. And then again, stuck my head in Big W, and they had a whole lot of pretzels marked down, so I grabbed those as well. I went to Savers this week. I grabbed a pair of pants for Zumba. They're like a lycra, so $6, so I've paid myself back from Zumba for that. I bought a couple of lunch boxes because I've got a video coming up about some lunchbox ideas, budget friendly for kids. And then $2, I need to take $2 out of the gifts. gonna be hilarious. So I'll put $3 back in there. I'm probably going to juggle that around a bit later because coins in here are probably going to fall out pretty easily, but I'll just put that there for now. That's going to pay for that. I can't say anything because there's little ears around, but yes, it was for a specific event that's coming up, which is part of my no buy rule, has to be for specific events. So I've added everything up here, and at the end of the month I'll do a bit of a balance and a total of where we're at and what's going on. So yes, I haven't spent any of my allowance this fortnight, neither has Jeremy, so we've just kept it in the bank. And apart from, oh, we did get, oh, meant to tell you guys, oh, here we go. We took a whole lot of cans and bottles to get cashed in, so I'm going to put the coins in here, and then the $20 I will put into the fruit and veg folder. So probably next fortnight I won't need to put any money in that because that will be well stocked up. So that's everything for this fortnight or week, and our budget and where we've been and how we kind of balance things out where we've been. It's a lot. I knew I've been busy. I thought I'd been home a lot, but some of it we do online shopping as well, so it's quicker, easier, and as I said, get the shop back discount. So check out the link down below and you can score a bonus if you haven't already downloaded the app. So thanks so much for joining with me today, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave me a comment below. How are you going with your budget for the year? Are you even doing a budget? Are you doing a no buy? Are you trying to balance everything out? So let us know. And yeah, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because we would love to have you as part of our Frugal Fun family. And as always, I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!